This video is requested by Dark Sonic Fan 109.
Okay class. Since today is the last day of school before holiday break, we are going to watch a holiday movie. Which holiday movie would you like to watch? Anybody? Monster Demon Ultra Hypersonic. Did you just howl?
Yes.
Monster Demon Ultra Hypersonic. How dare you howl in class? You know that would disturb other kids in classrooms while they're trying to concentrate. That's it. Go to the principal's office now.
Monster Demon Ultra Hypersonic. Why are you in my office?
I howled in class. Plus you sound weird. Har.
Monster Demon Ultra Hypersonic. How dare you make fun of my voice when you told me you howled in class? You know howling in class is disruptive behavior. That's it. You are suspended until winter break is over. Go home now.
Monster Demon Ultra Hypersonic. How dare you howl in class and make fun of the principal's voice because she doesn't sound that great. That's it. You are grounded for 100 billion weeks. Go to your room now.